Alright guys, now we're here in Canva and I'm gonna show you guys for this short tutorial on how you can play around with it. If you want to animate any images or you want to animate your pictures, you can do that in Canva. So without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, so now as you see guys, we're in the homepage of Canva. So I want to try to create some animation for my own image, so there are a lot of new features in Canva, and I was so excited to try everything and share with you guys how am I doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I try to make an animation for my own image. So here on the left side, you see there are so many icons here. You then look at the application. There you go, apps, and then there you go. So here, this will transform your photos into a stunning anime art. So let's try this one. Okay, so we're gonna click this one and we're gonna use, okay, so just like this guys, you see this original image, the original photo, and then it converted to a anime designs. This is the image that I want to create an animation. So let's see guys, you're gonna click this one, and since I already upload this image, right, so animify and replace, so we're going to replace this image. So I only have 2 credits remaining today guys, so I don't want to waste the credits because we only get, I think, 2 credits every day, so you can animate at least 2 photos of yours. So I just want to try how this picture looks like if I make an anime. Okay, so I'm gonna animate and replace this. And then there you go. So let's wait for seconds. As you see, let's see how it looks like. Oh, alright, so now this is how it looks like guys, and I still have 1 more credit. Okay, so I want to go again and let's go to another pictures that I want to animate. Okay, so this picture, and then let's go back to the apps and let's go to the anime. So I'm gonna click the anime, and then this is the file that I choose. So click this one. This is what you want to animate, and then you're going to replace this into anime photo. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one and let's see how it looks like. Oh, you see guys how it looks like. So that's it. So that's how you can animate your pictures, your photo, whatever you want to change. So alright, so not bad. So yeah, there's another feature that you can use inside of Canva. So you play around with these guys and then click download if you want to keep your anime pictures, and then just look at set it into PNG, which is suggested, and then click download and it will download into your computer. Alright, so I hope this helps guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, okay, I'm gonna save this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe into my channel, and for all my supporters, thank you so much guys for watching. And this is my Vlogmas day 2 for today. And if you're doing a Vlogmas challenge, let me know guys down in the comment. And thank you so much, and I want to see your project or the vlog that you did. Please share to community and just put them down in the comments so we can all watch together. And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow guys. Bye for now.